Introducing the next evolution in capping technology, the Tigris 2-head capper by Sneyders. Engineered for efficiency, the Tigris features 2 capping heads, doubling productivity to seal up to 1,025-liter jerrycans per hour. Each cap is applied with precise torque control, ensuring consistent and secure sealing every time. Switching cap formats. The innovative bayonet coupling allows for rapid tool-free changes, minimizing downtime. Advanced servo-driven conveyors, guided by dual photoelectric sensors, manage bottle flow seamlessly, slowing, stopping, and positioning each jerrycan with pinpoint accuracy. A centering device ensures exact alignment beneath each capping head, guaranteeing optimal sealing performance. Changing bottle sizes is effortless with our format ruler, eliminating guesswork and reducing changeover time to just 2 minutes. Accessing the cap sorter is safer and easier than ever. The tiltable design provides direct access to the sorting disc, no ladders or platforms needed. The Tigris can also be configured with a standard capping head alongside a semi-automatic pump and trigger screwing unit, offering flexibility for various packaging needs. Constructed with stainless steel and glass doors as standard, the Tigris is also available in corrosion-proof and explosion-proof versions to meet specific industry requirements. The Tigris 2-head capper, where innovation meets efficiency. Experience the future of capping with Sneyders.